Hey guys, thanks for opening this video. Welcome, this is Greybeard reporting from Belgrade Heights. This is a community overlooking Havendale. Most of this right below me is Havendale, and the views from here span all the way back to the harbor. So at this point I am showcasing this plot of land that I have here. It's a bit over a quarter acre, sorry. We'd love if it was a half acre, but it's a bit over quarter acre of land up here, with astonishing views from up top. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. If something you're going to be interested in, definitely stick around to this video and learn a little bit about it. All right, so if it's your first time here, my name is Ariel. I'm a licensed real estate agent working out of Jamaica, and I help my clients with buying and selling properties here in Jamaica, such as this one behind us. So if you are interested in learning more about Jamaican real estate, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so YouTube notifies you whenever I post a video, and come on, let's learn about this one. Alright, so the land has been recently cleared. It is sloped. I wouldn't necessarily use the term gently sloping, but it does have somewhat of a landing just midway, so you know, for the contractor skilled enough, just need to build your driveway coming in and start construction maybe somewhere in this zone here, and you'll have some pretty good views. You know, a floating pool, an infinity deck, things like that would be very fitting for this area. As you realize, we are overlooking the Havendale community, one of the more in-demand areas based on, you know, land size and property values there. And you're in a community that is flagged by, you know, some pretty nice homes. I don't want to intrude on anybody too much. That development in the distance there, just coming up, some apartment complexes, but the views from here will be good. But listen, I'm gonna get the drone footage in, so check it out. Alright guys, so thanks for checking out the video. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can get me at any time, 876-553-4246. My name is Ariel. My email address is arielyourrealtor@gmail.com. Feel free to reach out to me at any time. Any questions that you have, you can feel free to throw them in the comment section as well. You know, I'll try to offer some response to you. And if you are hunting for land, or if you have some property that you need some assistance in getting sold, I'm your guy. Alright, hey, check out one of these videos. I posted them just for you. Thanks, see you in the next video.